Hi, this is Steve Walton from Tropic Heating and PatioHeat.com. Today we're taking a look at this potential application. Now, customer gave me a couple of the measurements here. I believe this 120 is where they are hoping to put the heater up along this outer wall here. The degree here, I'm not quite sure of what that represents, but I think we'll answer the question for that. And then the depth, I'm hoping that this is just the depth of what they want to cover, not so much the whole length, because I didn't get all the true dimensions. But let's see what we can do. Another aspect I wanted to mention here, and this is going to be a big issue for this application, is I see a retractable awning here, and I hope you can all see that as well. Placing a heater up here while a retractable awning is present cannot be done, period. It's a very unsafe situation. Even let's say that you think, well, I will never open this awning and turn on a heater above that awning. Well, you might have a guest or someone who's unfamiliar with this application do that, and you can have a potential fire hazard, and that could be a catastrophic event. So this awning being here cannot exist and have a heater there. So I'm going to hit on that just a little bit further here. If we can hang on one second. This is show you what that awning would look like. I have a heater placed above that. This would be a disaster. So we cannot do this if we have a heater ray on here. You can see that would be just a catastrophe. So let's just say that this client is willing to remove this retractable awning, which I doubt, but let's say that they would be. That would be probably the only this would probably be the only practical space for a heater to be placed. And this is go back here to see if we put it up against this wall, or if this retractable awning was still there and we met our 6 inches of clearance, then we'd probably be down below the glass or into the glass or viewing area here, and that wouldn't be pleasing to the eye. So that might not be the answer as well. So again, let's just go ahead and see what would happen if we did place the heater here. You can see with our, oh, and by the way, I'm just going to give you a quick measurement here. We have approximately a 9-foot height here, I believe. Whoops. So we're dealing with, whoops, I believe that's about 9 feet. Go from here to here. Yeah, so we got 9 feet there. And then the rest of the dimensions, I really do not have a true dimension, so it doesn't make much sense to try to go through that information with you. But we can see that we have a WD 6024, which is a dual element, and it's the 61-inch long unit. They asked about the 5024, which is a little bit shorter. I'd prefer to go to a longer unit so that we can get the maximum coverage with the array. Depending on where we place this heater here, we might want to move it a little bit to the left or to the right, depending on where the true placement of the seating is going to be. And that'll give us, we want to kind of center it over that table, and you can see that the ray comes out from the heater. The closest seating area to that product will be the warmest space. The furthest away will be the coolest space. There's nothing you can do about that unless you have another heater that would offset that crossover rays and make this equal to this space over here. So in any case, I just want to kind of show you that again, the awning is a strict deterrent to put in a heater up here, and I think it would be too low in any other position around here. So that being said, I just wanted to kind of answer this question for this customer, and hopefully this might help you as well. I'm Steve from Tropic and patioheat.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.